Hey, you know, before you know it, Santa Claus will be coming here, and it's starting to get like the holidays, and I really like eggnog. I bet you there's a bunch of people that like eggnog. So, hello there everyone. Dave Myers, KooKoo for KooKoo here, and today we're going to make some hot peppermint eggnog. We're going to explore some of the new product that I haven't had a chance to even taste yet. We have our white chocolate peppermint mini bars that we've been featuring in the last few videos, and then we're going to try our eggnog truffles. We got our eggnog, and we're going to go 2 minutes in the microwave. Depends on your microwave on how long you can go. You kind of have to watch it so it doesn't boil over. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So we are taking a little bit less than a half of a peppermint bar, dropping it in the bottom of our cup that our eggnog's going to go in, and you could probably even use less than that. You could probably get 3 drinks out of 1 bar of a drink of about 8 ounces. And we got lucky not making a mess. I'm going to go ahead and pour the eggnog over top of the white chocolate peppermint. Normally what I would say do is you just plop that baby in there and start stirring until it dissolves, but I just kind of wanted to see the inside of this truffle. Cuts real nice, and there it's kind of, it isn't oozing quite out, but it is not quite a liquid, but it is pretty neat. Voila, drop our eggnog truffle in there and stir. I can feel down in there the peppermint is already pretty much melted, so we want to give that a good stir. Normally what I do on the eggnog is put a shot of brandy in there, but we're going to keep this G-rated. And I have some ground nutmeg because it's the holidays. We are going to go with the candy cane on the side. Now all we have to do is see if it's drinkable. Hot peppermint chocolate eggnog. Here we go. Oh, smooth, rich, good. This I like better than the hot chocolate, folks. Hot chocolate was good. This, whoa, baby. I'm telling you, a little shot of brandy in there and you're really gonna have a good time. The chocolate has given the drink more body than even just the eggnog, and the eggnog filling in the truffle, if anything, it's enhancing the eggnog flavor. It's really good. This happens to be one of my favorites. I would probably want to share this with my wife because it is so rich, but it is good. So there you have it, hot peppermint chocolate eggnog. So if you want some more holiday tips, or some tips about dinner, or some tips about the old Instant Pot, which is becoming my new favorite thing, why don't you subscribe to this channel and click on the little bell and say you want to be notified anytime we have a video come out, and we would very much appreciate it. Come have some fun with us. We try to have a little bit of fun making this stuff, and sometimes it's a little bit of who knows what's going to come out, but so far it's been edible. Dave Myers, KooKoo for KooKoo.